Namar makuat bakalat Kynshleiñ tu bah. Suam nganiap.
Riew pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Suam mem ta. Ngalai ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban yap bak cingdum.
Himdan la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kawei ka Kynthei na kawei ka Kynshleiñ ka bangiburi kerteng no kabadon hangni ha East Khasi Hills District. Namar ba katkum ki kendon jong ka ain kamlong bangin yatho ya ka kerteng jong ka kerteng Kynshleiñ niwat ka thain ru kalamudui da ka ejahar sagipulet baha ka janmiet jong ka shipau tarik ujemang arjar arpun Riew wei ubrio ubalatip kerteng kumu Rajkumar ubatrei ha kawei ka film production ka badang ring film menta ha ka nega district ulale Kynshleiñ ya ka da ka jing Thmu ban Batbor nrei kalala ban yakun bat ban pet Katkum ka ejahar bagani ka Riew Kynthei kala mudui syakipulen laong baga jingle jong tau Riew kala long syabapalat hagabau la jerong kti syakibenta ki bemdei bat udon bet ya ka jingmut ka basniu kata ka Riew Kynthei kala kerpat ya ki pulet bakin kem yau tau Riew bat ban penshitam ya u katkum ka an.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Kynshleiñ is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.